Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Tivana and I'm so glad you stopped in to see how I was doing today. I wanted to do a quick fall haul on some key things that I bought so far for the fall season. I'm sure I'm not finished with fall shopping or winter shopping, but these are just a few items that I picked up. The first store I went to is my favorite store, Forever 21, and I got a few key essentials that I thought was cute for the fall. The first thing that I bought was this beautiful gold choker. Oh my God, this is so cute. It was $9.80 and I wanted to get something that I could wear to happy hour or, you know, with a quick, with a cute low cut shirt. I thought this was so cute. And I don't know what it is about gold, but I absolutely love wearing gold in the fall. So when I saw this, I had to have it. But anyway, these were so cute. I thought they would be cute with, you know, an outfit. And I really wish I would have bought two more of these to make it 4 instead of 2. But oh well, if I go back in there and they are still in there, I'll buy another set. But if not, you know, these two are fine. These were $5.80. They are must-have. Like I said again, here I am buying gold again. I normally don't wear a lot of gold, but something makes me wear gold in the fall. I don't know if it's because of the brassiness or what, but I love gold in the fall. Another thing, who knew that Forever 21 was selling cosmetics? Okay. Did anybody else know that besides me? Okay, well maybe I'm the last of the game. I just didn't know that they sold makeup. So, or you know, any type of things dealing with makeup. But I found these two cute lip glosses at Forever 21. They're very sheer. They remind me of Chanel. You know, they are packaged kind of like Chanel, but this particular color is hot pink, and they call this a high shine gloss. So if you need something real sheer to wear, I think this is really, really pretty. And this one right here is in the nude color. It reminds me of See-Through from MAC, but I like the price of them. Both of them were $3.80 a piece, and I thought I couldn't beat that. So I'm gonna try these out and see how I like them. And if I really, really like them, maybe I'll do a review on them for you guys. Another thing that I bought from Forever 21, I was so surprised to see these, were eyelashes. I bought actually 3 pair. I'm not sure if you can see this or not, but I bought 3 pair of eyelashes. They don't have names, they have numbers. Like this number is kind of, they're really wispy. Yeah, let's see if I can get that, you to see that. Hopefully you can see it. These are 163. I like these. They look so Kim Kardashian. They look so like everyday wear, something that I would wear. And they were $2.80, so they didn't break the bank, okay? These right here, let me see if you can see it. They are a little bit more wispy, and if you can't see it, guys, I'm sorry. These are number 28. They are a little bit more dramatic. I probably would wear these more for nighttime instead of, you know, every day, but they are really pretty. Again, $2.80. And the last pair that I got were these really fun, let's see, I'm sorry, let's see. Can you guys, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm not helping. But they really wispy. Again, I will probably wear these at night. Now, these are called Glam number 29. They are so cute. I can't wait to try these. But I'm so glad that Forever 21 is now into eyelashes and stuff like that. Because if I need a quick pair, I always know where to get them, and they're going to be cheap. Another thing I bought from Forever 21 is this sheer kimono. It is so pretty. I love these flyaway sleeves. I love the floral print. I had seen so many people wear these kimonos during the summer, but they didn't have any colors that I like. Everybody had black, and I just really didn't want black. So when I saw this burgundy color, I thought, she needs that color, because this color really looks good on my complexion. This was $17.80. I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of it. Where I am, it's still quite warm, so I can get away with wearing it. And plus, it's a nice fall color, so it's not that big of a deal for me wearing anything sheer. That's all that I got from Forever 21, but I wanted to show you this cute clutch that I got. I actually got this clutch from Shoe Dazzle, I believe, and I love this clutch because it has this beautiful tribal print on it. It has the gold hardware. It's very pretty. I love this blue. Blue is my favorite color, and I like the cute little compartments it has. Now, I don't like that it's really shiny, but I figured, who's gonna be looking all down in my purse? Nosy. So anyway, I thought that was real cute for going out. I love the colors, you know, the blues, the blacks, the greens, the tan. This, you can wear this with many different things. It is so cute for fall. I bought it a while back, so I'm not sure if it's still available, but it is perfect for fall. Also bought this from Forever 21. I'm sorry, guys. Is this pretty gray cardigan. I have not had a gray cardigan before. I never bought a gray cardigan, and when I went in one day, they had this cardigan, believe it or not, for $5. So I tried to pick up as many colors that were in my size, but unfortunately they only had this heather gray color, so I was just like, okay, whatever. And you know, with this color, you can wear with so many things, with jeans and a shirt. It's just so versatile. I love it, and it gives you a little bit of warmth, and it's so perfect for fall. The next thing I want to talk about are two pairs of pants that I got from Target. The first pair are really leggings. This is like a I don't even know what you call this print. Let me tell you what they call this print. They call this ebony paint print. Okay, ebony paint print. I love it. I love the blacks, I love the grays, I love the whites. I just love it, and I can't wait to wear these with my UGG boots when it gets a little bit cooler, and then I can put a slouchy top with it, or sweater. These are so comfortable and so perfect for fall. Now, I got these I got them in extra large because I tend to have a little bit of a booty, but these were $12. I didn't think you could beat that for $12. The pants I got from Target are these black joggers. Oh my God. What I love about them is the bottom part. I hope you can see that, of the joggers. They are so cute. It's that new, you know, length that's in right now. These are called Ebony Solids. I like the drawstring right there to give me, you know, a little bit of room. They are so cute. Listen, I bought these by chance, because when I tell you these were the last pair and they had Tivana's name right on it, I ran right over there and got it, and I'm glad I did. The material is so soft, and it's so warm and cozy. I can't wait to wear these. They were a little bit pricey. I didn't want to pay this price for it, but it was $24.99. But hey, I know they're going to be very stylish, so they were worth the last two things I have are coats. I am a big coat and jacket person. I love the fall and the winter so that I can wear my favorite coats. So I found these two jackets and I wanted to show you them. The first one is this beautiful olive green jacket. What I love about it, it has these ruffle details right here. You know, maybe I'll insert some pictures of me wearing this jacket, but I absolutely love this because it's just so pretty. It's a suede material, and the color of it is just so perfect for fall. It's olive green, so perfect. But I love it. I love that it has a little buckle here on the back. And it's very chic. I could put this on with a pair of jeans and a pair of boots and really look stylish because it really is a statement jacket. I got this from Wilson's. It was on sale. It was on sale for $34.99. Not sure what the regular price was, but I had to go home with it. Last and definitely not least, this coat is the business. Okay, this is my tweed coat that I got from Victoria's Secret. It is so pretty. It is a tweed material, as you can see, and I love the fact that it has this leather detailing in the back that kind of looks like a belt, but it's not a belt. And I like also that how it has this split in the back of the coat. That is so super chic. I love that. And I also like the fact that it has these you know, rubber right there in the sleeve or in the gathering right there, because with me having shorter arms, sometimes coats tend to, you know, go past my wrist. And so when I have this rubber part in the sleeve, then I can control it from going over my wrist. So I absolutely love this. Now this was an investment piece, I will say. I like that little detailing of the little button right there, but this was like $229. I got it on sale for $199. They sold out very quick, and the reason why I say that is because when I went to get another size, they were already sold out, so I had to stick with this. I dare not send it back because I know I would never see it again. So it was just really worth the investment. I really love this coat. Now I did tell you it came from Victoria's Secret. People, do not go into the Victoria's Secret store looking for this coat. I got it online under their jackets and coats, and that's where you'll find it. So hopefully if somebody returned one, maybe you can look up and get it. But I got me one and I refuse to let it out of my sight, okay? But anyway, guys, that's all I have for you today. It wasn't a lot, but this is just the beginning of my fall and winter shopping, so I'm sure I have many more hauls to do. But thank you guys for stopping by. Please remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. And if you leave a comment, I will promise you I will answer you back. Bye now. Muted look when I have a really bold eye. And